Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video for LPCA456. This is a 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. Powered by the 5.7 liter TBI engine. Extremely clean up here. We're going to start it up in just a second for you guys. We're going to leave the belt-driven accessories and harness and ECU with this. Popular motor, even though it's low horsepower for a lot of resto mods. Even just a replacement motor, it's nice to kind of have an extra harness and a computer. You just never know what might have happened. A lot of good parts on this car. Passenger headlight, fender, got some chrome down here. All this chrome is going to be for sale in individual pieces. We're going to split all this up. Well, this is going to come with the door, but you know what I meant. If you buy a door, you're not going to get the chrome trim with it. Let's put it that way. Passenger door mirror is in good shape. Let's open it up and take a look at the interior. Oh, that car phone is sweet. Nah, it's seen better days. Darn it. Nice condition, garnet red. We're going to be selling the seats as a complete set, even though the front's a little bit worn. Door panels are in great shape. Custom stereo wiring job here, though. Yikes. Rear door panel is in nice shape as well. Chrome on back here has a wear on it. We'll call it driver quality. Good from afar, 50-footer stuff. Still very hard to find though, so we're gonna get that all listed for sale. Ooh, that emblem's gold. They have the gold keys? Ah, we didn't get the gold keys with this one, sorry. Taillights will be sold with the filler panels if we pull them off and they're any good. A lot of times they're broken and we can't see it. Let's go ahead and step inside here and get to the heart of the beast. Brace yourself, guys. This is gonna be a pretty violent startup of 170 horsepower. Literally fires right up though, no noises. We'll step out and let you guys take a listen to that. That serpentine belt had to make a liar out of me. This thing's made no noise in here all day long. The first time I touch it, that happens. 5.7 liter is running well though. Let's take a look at the oil dipstick. Good clean oil, well, not clean, good oil though. Got some miles on it. Let's see if I can fish it down in there. Running well though, as you guys can see. Transmission does not have reverse. We're gonna test it anyways. We're not gonna be selling that. That is not reverse. That is drive. Yeah, she's a goner. Oh, look, kept up to date on her oil changes too. All right, folks, that is gonna wrap up the test video of LPCA456, our 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood. If you guys are looking for Fleetwood parts, we're probably gonna be your best bet. We got probably 15, 20 of them out there in the yard in various states of part outs, but almost any part you guys can need for one of these, we're gonna have one for you. So with that being said, check out our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, or give our sales folks a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J. Thanks for watching.